In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage iCloud storage. By the end, you'll know exactly how to see what's taking up space, clean it up safely, control what gets backed up, and decide if upgrading is right for you. First, let's check your storage. On Windows, open the iCloud app and look for the storage bar at the top. It breaks down what's using space, like photos, backups, and iCloud Drive. If you don't have the app, use the web. Go to the iCloud website, sign in, click your name, then iCloud settings. Give it a few seconds to refresh. The categories help you spot the biggest culprits quickly. Next, the most important part, freeing up space. Start with photos and videos, since they usually take the most. Open Photos, tap Select, choose what you don't need, and delete. Don't forget to empty the recently deleted album to permanently remove them. If any memories are important, download copies to your computer or an external drive first. Then, clear out old device backups. On your device, go to Settings, iCloud, Manage Storage, then Backups. Pick any backup from a device you no longer use and delete it. This only removes the backup stored in iCloud. Your current device data stays put. But make sure you truly don't need that old backup. Next, tidy up iCloud Drive. Open iCloud Drive and remove large files you don't need anymore, like old videos, PDFs, or installers. If a file is useful but bulky, move it to local storage instead of keeping it in the cloud. Clean up iCloud Mail by deleting emails with large attachments and then emptying the trash. And in Messages, remove big photos and videos from conversations you no longer need. Clearing attachments can quickly reclaim space without deleting entire threads. Now, manage what gets backed up so you don't waste space going forward. Go to Settings, iCloud, Manage Storage, Backups, choose your current device, and turn off backups for apps you don't need, especially games or apps with large data. Keep critical items on and review this list every so often. For photos, turn on Optimize iPhone Storage. Go to Settings, Photos, and enable Optimize iPhone Storage. Your device keeps smaller versions locally while full-resolution files stay in iCloud. You can still download originals anytime as long as you're online. Finally, if you regularly max out your space, consider upgrading. Go to Settings, iCloud, Manage Storage, tap Change Storage Plan, and pick a plan that fits your needs. It's optional, but helpful if you store lots of photos and videos. That's it. Simple, safe, and effective iCloud management.